Breaking news. Heavy rain and flooding expected. What to do? Novak box wall barriers, now made in India from Swedish technology. Our flood barriers, easy to lock, very fast to set up. With our barriers you can protect your buildings. Protect underpass and city roads. With Novak box wall barriers, saving cities from flood water is possible. Our barriers are freestanding and does not topple over with waterfalls. Our barriers are made from UV stabilized polypropylene. They are strong and resist long-term damage. Call us today for immediate supply.